In this exercise, we are going to learn how to set up a website in Dreamweaver. Like, you have got all the files in local folder and now you want to publish it on the web. So how you are going to do that? So when you start your Dreamweaver, this is your home screen, which is giving you option, recent files, creating new files. So what you have to do, you just go to site. There is an option here, site. Go to manage sites, or if this is a new site, you just click on new site. If you're doing it for the first time, click on new site. Now look at that. Here it will ask two most important things are local information and remote information. Now, local information stands for where your files are located right now on your computer. So just give it a site name for your reference. Let's say I'm creating a website for a person called Victor, so let me give it a name like Victor website. It doesn't matter what name you give it, just for your reference site name. Now this is local root folder. It is asking us where your files are located, your HTML files, your CSS files, your images, whatever you want to publish. Simply click on this button, local root folder, and you can browse where your files are located. So on my computer, I know files are located on program files, and then easyphp, sorry, it wasn't C, program files, then easyphp. I'm sorry, I have used a wrong path, but this is the place where I keep all my files, and here it is. Should be in the Victor. Yeah, so this is the folder where all my files are. I will simply click on select. So this is the local root folder, and now I will go to the second place. This is called remote info. Remote info means information for web. So when I will go there, simply click on type of access, which is normally FTP, that is file transfer protocol. Now here it will ask for this information. Now you will get all this information from your hosting company. Let's say you have booked the hosting company, your hosting company is mydomain.com, or it is monster.com, or there are so many companies. So whenever you book a hosting, then you will get all this information, FTP host. So in this case, I'm going to just fill the information which we have got. So it is FTP host is ftp.pc hyphen, this is domain name, host directory. This information also you get from your hosting company. It is the folder within the web server where your all files will be published. Here the login information, so and here is the password. So if everything is fine, simply click on test to make sure that whatever you have put the information is correct, and you can see the dialog box. It says successfully connected to successfully. If it is something wrong, let's say, let me put it wrong, it will say something like that, an FTP error occurred. Simply click there and test. Here it is, Macromedia connected to you successfully. Simply click on OK. And this is very important, automatically upload files to server and save. If you want that whenever you make changes local on your computer and you want to publish it right away on the web, so then simply click it. If you have got very fast internet connection and you don't have any problem to upload directly on web, then click that. And if you want that, let me make all the changes firstly and then I want to publish, then simply deselect it. Okay, now simply click on OK. Let me deselect it for the time being, and now I will click on OK. Now here, this is the file panel. Here it is showing you all the files. So these are coming all from local folder which we selected, and these are all the files. And now let's click on remote view. Now remote view is grabbing that FTP information which we put, and it is showing us all the files which are on the web. So I've already uploaded all the files on the web. So if it is not there, let me delete all the files. I'm deleting the file so that I want to show you that initially this all is empty when you do it for first time, and then you have to publish all the files. So that's the way. If you want to delete the files from the web, simply select the files and delete the files. Basically it's just like on your computer you do. So you have got a directory on the web, you have got a hard disk space on the web, so you just have to do in the same way. So remote view means it is showing you the files on the web, and local view means it is showing you on the computer. So that's how you are going to see the remote view initially. So these are all default directories. So this is CGI for CGI scripts. We don't need to go in depth for this for the time being. So now let's go to local view. So these are your local files, this is your remote view. So now what you want to put all these files on the web, right? So simply what you have to do, simply select this, right click here and do put. Put stands for put all the files on the web. Do put. Are you sure you want to put the entire site? Yes. Okay. Connected, putting files. So it is putting all the files on the web. Okay, now let's go to remote view. So here is the remote view. You can see all the files are there. Okay, now let's check it whether it is available on the web or not. Let's go there. Let me open any browser. Oh my god, my computer has got some more things. Where is my browser? Mozilla. Yeah, I can browse all the files. So that's it really. Now let me show you. Whenever you want to make any change, simply go to local view and double click on any file wherever you want to make any change. Simply select the file and press enter. So that file will be opened. So we have got to use split. Basically it will show you code also, and it will show you design also. Let's say I make a change here. Let me put marketing. Okay, and I save it. File, save. So at the moment it is saved only locally. It's not. If you will go to the remote view, it's same as it was. It has not made any change. But if you want, now let's say you can, if you want to put it on the web, simply click here and put it. So it will go on the web, right? So now web page is refreshed. But if you want to make it automatically, simple, you can go from here, site, manage sites. This is your Victor website, right? Click on edit. It will come up here. Go to remote info, and you can use automatically upload files to server and save. Click on OK. Done. Now you will see, let's say I make another change. Alright, here sales. Now I click on file save. Just note what will happen. Can you see? I have pressed the save. It is automatically connecting to the settings, and it is going on the web and putting that file again. But every time you will make a change, it will do like that. So it all depends on you, what you want to, what you want to do, whether you want to publish um, simultaneously or you want to publish after making all the changes. So let's say you made all the changes in different files and you simply right click there and can put the entire site again. So that's it. In next exercise we will learn some more things. Thank you. Bye bye.